Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In today's video, I'll be using Pretty Pink Posh's brand new Ghost Holder die set. Along with the new Ghost Holder die set, I'll also be using Pretty Pink Posh's Stitch Stars die set, their Big Celebration Cupcake die set, just using the two small stitch stars, and I'm also using the Wonky Stitched Rectangles die set. And if you are interested in any of the products I'm using in this video, I do have links in the description box below. Some of the products may not be available, especially the pattern paper. I've gone ahead and cut out two of the Wonky rectangles, one from a deep purple cardstock and the other from some silver holographic cardstock. And I just used a scrap piece of the silver holographic cardstock from my stash. Part of the piece had a little area already cut off, but since I'm covering it up with the purple rectangle, no one will notice. I layered the two pieces together, creating that holographic drop shadow on the left and bottom of the Wonky rectangle. For the background of my card, selected two pattern papers from Doodlebug Design. Years ago, I bought a grab bag of 12 by 12 Doodlebug paper. So I dug through that stash and selected two of the tone-on-tone purple designs. For the very background, I selected a polka dot design, and for that 2-inch strip that goes across the card, there are some bat, star, moon, and cloud images. I'll layer the background piece on the same deep purple cardstock color, put ATG tape on the back, and add my card front onto a card base, leaving 1/8 of an inch of the white card base showing. Then I'll put glue on the back of the stitched Wonky rectangles and adhere it on the center of the card. And I am placing a large acrylic block on top for some added weight while that glue dries. It'll help those stitch edges lay nice and flat. Now I'll start working on the ghost. This is such a fun die set. I love how the ghost's arms are cut out so you can have it hold an object. This ghost will be holding a pumpkin, and this pumpkin image is part of the Ghost Holder die set. I use orange cardstock for the pumpkin, brown cardstock for the stem, put glue on the back, and attach the pumpkin in front of the ghost, and I did put the pumpkin at just a slight angle. I cut out the ghost's mouth and eyes from black cardstock, adhered the mouth in place, but instead of adding the tiny eye die cuts, I thought it would be fun to add some monster eye enamel stickers, and these are from Spellbinders. I selected the teal eyes, and I love how they're different sizes. I think it gives the ghost a very unique look. Now I'll flip over my ghost, and I will be popping it up using some foam dimension. This is Scrapbook.com's 1/4 inch foam in the 1 millimeter thickness. It'll add that little bit of dimension without a lot of bulk. That way you can still mail your card without paying additional postage. My roll ran out, so I did need to grab another one. I always make sure to have several of the 1 millimeter foam on hand since it's my favorite. I'll add a foam strip all along the outside edge of the ghost and also one in the center. Then I'll remove the release paper and add my ghost in the center of the Wonky rectangle. The little ghost is so cute, and I love that the die set doesn't include a bunch of small die pieces. So the images are super easy to assemble, and you don't have to mess with all those fiddly itty bitty die cut pieces. I mean, sometimes it's fun to play with the fiddly die cut pieces, but sometimes it's nice to have a very simple die set that you can quickly use to create a bunch of adorable cards. I cut out 3 stitched star die cuts from light purple cardstock. I'll add the larger star and one of the smaller stars behind the ghost in the upper right-hand corner. And I also cut out the sentiment Boo. This is included on the ghost holder die set. I cut out the sentiment from the silver holographic cardstock. So it has that beautiful sparkly shine. I'll add the sentiment on the larger star. Then I'll add the last star on the left side of the ghost. And I did pop it up with some thin foam dimension. For a final finishing touch, I'm using a white gel pen, adding a few highlights on the two smaller stars and also the pumpkin. So there is my finished card. Love how this one turned out. And I was having so much fun with this set, I did end up making a total of 4 cards. The first 3 cards, I used the same pattern paper for the background, same stars, same sentiment. The ghosts are just holding different objects. But for my 4th card, I couldn't resist making a Christmas card with a Christmas ghost. And the ghost is holding a stocking, and I added the sentiment ho ho ho, and I also gave the ghost a little Santa hat. So fun and super cute. This is such a fun die set, and the possibilities are endless. You could have the ghost hold a present, wear a little party hat, and make it a birthday card. I loved making it a Christmas card, but you could use this set year-round. If you are interested in any of the products I used in this video, I do have links in the description box below. I'm currently participating in Pretty Pink Posh's blog hop to help celebrate the new release. For more inspiration and a chance to win a Pretty Pink Posh gift card, head on over to my blog, and I do have the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.